Good morning, guys. Well, today's cleaning day. I've temporarily switched the blankets from the couch so I could wash the other ones. And also a few toys. Let's get the laundry going and see what else today holds. And while I fold laundry, Axel's right next to me chewing on his hoof. Since I'm already in the kitchen working and we made those pickles, I thought I'd batch juice all of the grapefruit and orange that I had. Aren't they beautiful? Hopefully we'll get enough to fill up this little gallon container here, and that'll give us juice for the next few days. Well, this guy's been wanting some attention, so I think I'm going to spend a little... Did you fall off the couch? Oh my goodness. I'm going to spend a little time with him. Have me a little Topo Chico, and then we're going to go to Mom's for dinner. So I guess I'm going to call it a day, you guys, and thank you for joining me today on my little cleaning and cooking day. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.
I know you can. Come on. Come on. I know you can do it. Come on. Come on. Load up. Load up. Load up, baby boy. Come on. Do it. Load up. Come on. Load up. I know you can. Good
Good job.
Good boy.